In this video, I am going to show you how to set trailer video for your YouTube channel or how to set YouTube trailer video for our channel. So let's get started and I will show you how to actually set this kind of trailer video for our YouTube channel. So at first you need to log in your YouTube channel account. Then on the right top corner in this account icon, you need to click over there. From there, you need to select your channel. When you click your channel, then this page will appear before you like this way. Just wait for a while. Okay, here you can see you will arrive this page when you click your channel icon. From there, you need to select here customize channel. When you click customize channel, then here you will get this page and here you will find three options: layout, branding, basic info. Among these three info, you need to select this layout option. And under this layout option, there are two sections. First one is channel trailer. The second one is featured video. So you need to hover your cursor on the first section, that means channel trailer, and here you will find three dot. Just need to simply select in this three dot. From there, you need to select here change video, and here you will get all of the video of your channel. So you can select any one of them, or if you want, you can search from here. For example, I would like to add the video that I am searching here. For example, I would like to select this video. Just need to simply select over the video. Okay, I just selected the video here, so it is going to be my channel trailer. Then you need to select here publish. When you select here publish, then this video will be set as your channel trailer video. Okay, now if we come back to our channel, and here you can see the video we just selected here is set as our channel trailer video. So in this way you can select or set the trailer for your YouTube channel. Thank you.